going to make what hopefully is an easy modification to this Jeep. As you can see some of the videos, we've got some hinge pin liners that are completely destroyed, especially the lower ones. What we have is, we've got these foot pedals that we've been using all summer long, and so they sit in and then they just kind of do like this, so you can kind of pull them in, pull them out, and they have completely mashed and flattened these inner hinge pin liners. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these new TMR custom Delrin door hinge liners in on all 8 hinges that we have. So we're going to have to pound the old ones out and put the new ones in. So hopefully this goes pretty well. What we're going to do now is we're just going to clean it up a little bit, trying to get it all cleaned up. So I'm just putting some WD-40 on the inside, trying to rub out any metallic pieces that were there. We'll go ahead and pull this up through. And just get it clean so when we put in the pin, it'll be good. Alright, so now they tell you do not hammer them in. We're just going to go ahead and stick them in. It should slide all the way down and sit like that. So go ahead and then just push, push, push. Alright, so it's good and flush. Good. And we'll just go ahead and we'll do the bottom one. We'll do the same thing. And that's that, they're in. Now we're going to clean up the actual pins as well. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little WD-40 on it and wipe them down. Just to kind of clean off all the crud. We'll do all 8 hinge pins that way. She's doing that. These have already been done. It doesn't make it look brand new, but it certainly cleans it up some. Especially if it was in focus. That's super easy. It just slides right in there. No resistance at all. Just drops right in. Let's make sure that it closes. I'm going to go ahead and push this in. Now, why not put the whole thing together? Voila! So nice and easy. No problem whatsoever. Put this in there so it doesn't clip. Closes easy, comes on and off easy. I'd say this is a success. And there you have it. Brand new TMR Delrin pin liners. A lot better than that old mess.